In the early 13th century, Central Asia stood under the shadow of a rising Islamic empire, the Khwarazmian state.
Its ruler, Allah al-Din Muhammad, commanded lands stretching from Transoxiana to Persia. His army was vast, his authority unquestioned. Bukhara and Samarkand flourished as centers of knowledge, trade, and faith. The empire appeared strong, prosperous, and secure. But beyond the eastern horizon, a storm was gathering, silent, disciplined, and unstoppable. That storm had a name, a Genghis Khan. And soon, the world of Khwarazm would face its greatest trial.